Hey guys, Barney here from Legend X. I want to talk beach driving 101. It's a glorious country. We love our beaches. So number one is safety first. Safety before the fun. Now we get here on Australia Day, we're having a lot of fun, it's great. But think of others, think of yourself, think how to do it properly. Next thing I want to talk about is traction equals action. So if you've got to lower these tire pressures down to around that, 16, 18, 20 depending. Start with 20 if you're a first timer, and that's going to give us more action, more traction because you're a longer tread. Next thing is momentum is king. When you start at the entry of a beach and you're going to get on, make sure you just got a little bit of speed up because that's at the entry of the beach is normally a bit powdery, a bit softer. Everyone does that small bit of track. So keep up the speed, not too fast because that takes away from the safety aspect, but just keep that momentum. Last thing, when you stop at a beach somewhere, just go forward, go back, go forward, go back, go forward. Just do a little bit of this action and that compacts the ground. So when you jump in after your fun, you can start up and drive off. Last thing, always air up before you go home. Safety is key, and 100 k's down the freeway with 20 PSI, you never know what's going on. Thanks guys.